In terms of the examination class, I wanted to tell the examination classes countrywide that in my considered opinion, they are doing very well, and they do not have to, absolutely, they do not have to work under tension, because the examination is only 1 month away. In fact, the primary school one will start on the 19th of next month. And the children should be at peace. The children should be at peace because the government is aware that they were out of school for 9 months. The government is also aware that they have come back to school now. I think they had, the first time was about 10, 11 weeks. This other time will be about 10 weeks. And so the exam will take place, but there is no need to be anxious. You can ignore completely the opinion of some of the newspapers who think that you are all going to fail. I can guarantee you that you are not going to fail, because those tests that were done immediately you opened school, and somebody is writing 12 weeks later when you have already transformed and charging. And if I may tell you for free, some of the standard 8 children are even more charged than the other classes, the other higher classes. Any child who is over 8 years, according to birth certificate, is liable to criminal prosecution. So let us deter these children. Let us not keep hearing, oh, there was a fire at 9 o'clock, and then you can guess the second sentence, that the children were where? In prep. Where was the teacher?